Just like a marriage on the rocks, communication is key. The point isn't to look fancy, but effectively communicate with the user, information and emotion. Unless you're designing for pirates, make it easy to find the treasure. If you make it look pretty, but they get lost, that's called art and you're in the wrong class. Equally, if you do it in a Word document, the only people who'll inspire are accountants. Screw communism. This is not a democracy, give it hierarchy. Who is your king, queen, bishop, pawns? Remember, people are like your Tesco club card. All they do is scan, so show them what is important. Avoid all caps in paragraphs. Like a woman in uniform, it makes them hard to read when everything is the same size. Opposite to your wife, who's always right, text is left most of the time. We've trained to read like this. Make it easy for us. Words, like Barney needs friends. Never leave them alone with your kids. It comes in many weights, and contrast is key. So like leg day, skip a weight. Like the magazine aisle's top shelf to teenage boys, contrast is an eye magnet. Big, small, dark, bright, colour, saturation and value. And like the teacher's pet in school, highlights work well here too. Similar to when you ask someone if they want to see a magic trick. The fastest way to be ignored, use flat colour. It's boring. Spice it up with textures. They make you come alive. Find them online. Or since you have your secret photographer Instagram, take some yourself. Remember, in the big boy world, you don't get detention for copying someone's homework. If you find a design that is effectively communicating, put on your balaclava, steal its layout, font, size and colour, add in your words, images, branding, boom, job done. Like seatbelts, remixing is optional. Why do you think all movie posters are exactly the same? You're a business, not an artist. Originality is for amateurs. Professionals focus on effectiveness. Extra crispy bonus tip. If your client is being a douche, remember, Comic Sans will save you. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you liked that video. Subscribe for more and have a fabulous day. Ethan out.